Gears and Bears are Barrett. Today's driving impression, I'm in a 2015 Porsche GT3 911. Beautiful car. As you can tell, this car is really spec'd out to be, it's a race-bred automobile. It's spec'd out to actually, it's performance built. I mean, there's no other way to say it. The car shift points, it shifts on the dime. I mean, it has the PDK, but as you can tell, it shifts like it's just microseconds of shifting. The power is phenomenal in this car. This car is really built for the purpose of racing. There's no other way to put it. And it has a nice tone. It's really throaty for it to be what it is. Right now it's not in sport mode, but for even in normal driving mode, it's ridiculous. So it's really a track focused car. It's almost like it's too much for the street, but it's manageable. That's the beauty of Porsche automobiles. They make it to be a driver focused automobile. It's not, something that like where it beats you up driving it on the road. You can take a nice comfortable Sunday drive in it and enjoy it for what it is. The dials, the gauges, this is a 2015 spec, 2015 model, and for what it is, it's all focused, performance oriented as far as like the gauges. No nonsense. Everything's laid out clearly. You have your information from left to right. I mean, you got your speedometer, you got your tag. Everything you need to know is right here. I mean, even your climate controls and reach. Hell, what more can I say? I mean, this is what this vehicle is about. It's nothing that this vehicle has that's out of place, and everything is for a purpose. But the Alcantara suede, everything, the stitching, everything is phenomenal and laid out really nicely in this vehicle. I mean, it just set up just beautifully. I mean, the spec on this car is nice. There's not much more I have to say about it. I mean, it's what it is. You really have to experience the car, really appreciate it. The steering is really precise on it, where it needs to go, the response, the throttle response is really right there, is on top. Like I was saying, it's really nothing much more that I could say about this vehicle more other than you really have to drive it to experience it for yourself. Now we're going into sport mode. It's just phenomenal. The sound of this vehicle is just phenomenal. They really knew what they were doing when they tuned this engine. The output is, the horsepower in this thing is around 500 horses. But you're talking about a vehicle that's built for just no nonsense speed and enjoyment and handling the curbs. The weight of it is a very lightweight vehicle. You really do have to keep that in mind, that you are behind the wheel of a lightweight vehicle. The engine is mid-engine. It's behind. Actually, this is a rear engine. Can't say mid because it's really back there, but they have it planted in such a fashion that the weight balance, you feel how really precise it is.
Go to 9,000 RPM so you can hear it scream. There it is, that last.
My God, that's sitting at that RPM. God, this is.
So now let's go to the car to do its own shifting, and you'll see how it responds.
Okay.
The car's doing its thing.
The car is doing its thing, so everything is under its own power. This is this Porsche here belongs to a good friend of mine, George Cavazos. I would like to thank him for giving me the honor of this experience, man. This is fantastic. So thanks a lot.
No problem.
Yep, this is great. Years and bills of Baron. Peace.